location today is quite extraordinary. A newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here, in shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. You can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres. Mind your distance to port starboard. As we leave this long-lost community, we're about to enter
I'll take it down faster, Pete. All controls, 8 degrees down.
We can use instruments such as our sonar to actually hear the nation talk.
Where are you?
Dory, she saw me.
Hold her steady. Take her into the current. Hold her head standing. The powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Welcome to the EAC, Vinnie Marlin. And I know the funny. I'm a clownfish. Nemo.
Dude, check it out. Wow. It's a big sunken rock.
Nemo, where are you, Nemo? I am looking for my son.
I can help.
Nemo!
Where?
That's what I'm trying to find.
By who?
My son Nemo. You know that. We went on a huge adventure together. Yes, I can see him.
Hello, morsels. There's nothing I like better than canned food. Oh, don't worry. I'm not going to eat you. At least not all at once.
Come on, Bruce. Remember the pledge.
Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. These are friends, not food. I right there, mates. Easy does it. You want one of these balloons. Stop. That's it.
Let's resume speed.
Wait, what? I see pretty lights.
I see them. Wait for what? It's getting closer. It's me.
I wonder it's you. It could be anybody.
It's not anything. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory.
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
What's that? It looks like.
Me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish.
Right. Okay. Now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloony. Boing.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. Boing. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
Smart man. Boing.
Stop playing games. Let's go.
I love parties.
We're alive! We survived the erupting volcano, Nemo! Nemo? Nemo?
Can we do
Say
it
something!
again, Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
Oh, I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! You're so cute! What do you let me eat? Hey, Dad! You should have seen me surf the volcano!
Oh, give me some fish. Dogging.
Nemo, check out all the whales! See, right there in pink pieces of whales only in krill. Then why is that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude?
We just got eaten. They're about to
Does it sound kind of English to you?
Good at losing weight and then you tell me about all these really delicious things.
That's funny. That sounded like. Oh, right. I'm gonna. A big yellow whale. Wait, stop.
Crikey.
Should I have to any of this in the mall?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody would believe it anyway. You better take her up before we have a run in for the sea serpent who already encountered with a mermaid.
Aye, aye.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day.
It got all silent. There was nothing. It was like, we just survived the volcano. It's something like, I don't know what's going on.